I'm here to try to get through, this jungle. You won't believe it where I am. I'm in the city of Maringá, state of Paraná. Harper number 2. If you are here, you live in this city, you don't want to go far away into the forest, I recommend you, I truly advise you to come here. You can really feel peace inside of the city. Hard to say, but it's true, So much life here. It's beautiful. Então, galera, como tá todo mundo? Espero que tenham bem-vindo ao meu canal. Enrique Morris aqui, Aventuras, uma vez mais. Alright, my people, it's good to see you, everyone. I'm here to try to get through, this jungle. You won't believe it where I am. I am in the city of Maringá, state of Paraná, located at the interior, of this state. And you won't believe it where I am. This is beautiful. It's not a jungle. It's not a jungle. Even though if you heard, beautiful sounds of nature, right? Very beautiful sounds of nature right here in this park. Parque do Ingá. Parque do Ingá. Minha gente, meu povo. Here I'm about to review shots, with my cameras, and I will see if you can deploy the drone here, because most of the city have restriction areas, so you won't be able to fly the drone. However, I will manage myself to see what I can do in a safe way. Alright, folks, let's see and let's take a look more about this beautiful place. as usual, the Brazilian people are so beautiful. They're friendly. They're very, very humble people, and just communicate with everyone. And you won't believe this kid have a story of a bird that I want to share with all of you. Então, qual é o nome desse pássaro que você está falando?
Tuiuiu.
Tuiuiu, tá. E explica para mim desse pássaro.
Vem origem do Pantanal e é considerado uma das maiores aves da América Latina.
Aham. Oh, uau! E aqui mesmo no Brasil, no Pantanal, falou. Pantanal.
Brasil no Pantanal.
You heard that, people? Okay? Um prazer. Tchau, tchau. This is chopper number 2 here at the state of Paraná. I'm back for more adventure. Okay? So let me know in the comment, what do you think about those shots, this park? And if you are here from Paraná or Maringá, let me know if you know the place already. Okay, I love it. I fall in love with this place, you know. I think different cities around the world must have this concept, you know. But I mean, I've been seeing, you know, but not like this. This is beautiful. Until the next time, folks, so much love, you know. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, share with everyone these beautiful things, you know, of nature and offer for all of you. Till the next time.
E também desligar os aparelhos eletrônicos das tomadas durante os temporais para evitar prejuízos aí. Então, fortes temporais atingindo a nossa região e todo o estado, a gente segue em alarme, né? Fazendo os levantamentos e trazendo essas informações aqui para o pessoal de casa. Desde o início do mês, a gente sabe que o Paraná inteiro tem sido muito afetado. Segundo a Defesa Civil...
Podem comer? Conseguem comer? Sua mão, onde está a sua parte? Tá aqui? Não? Ei, tem que falar, ei, presta atenção, eu quero ajudar você. Mas precisa entender, você tem que entender o que eu estou falando. Está entendendo? Não? So, would you like to speak English or some other language? Where are you from? Espera aí, eu quero ajudar.